Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Brother SE2000 sewing and embroidery machine. I've looked through the details available online, and I'm going to explain what makes this machine interesting and whether I think it's worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The SE2000 gives you a 5 by 7 inch embroidery field, which is a useful size for personal projects, clothing, gifts, monograms, and decorative designs. It comes with an included hoop and 8 sewing feet, giving beginners plenty of flexibility to get started without needing a complicated industrial setup. One of the biggest advantages is the combination of sewing and embroidery. You get more than 190 built-in embroidery designs, 50 downloadable designs, 13 embroidery fonts, and an impressive 241 sewing stitches. That makes this much more versatile than a machine designed only for embroidery. Brother also makes transferring designs much easier with wireless connectivity. Through the Artspira mobile app, you can access free designs, create custom patterns by drawing directly on your phone or tablet, and transfer designs wirelessly to the machine. You can also send embroidery files from a computer using Brother's design database transfer software or use the built-in USB connection. The 3.7-inch touchscreen gives you direct control over your designs. You can resize, rotate, reposition, combine, and edit lettering right on the display. For beginners, that can make the design process much less intimidating because you don't have to constantly move between different software and the machine. Another useful feature is advanced color sort. When working with multicolor embroidery, it can reorganize the stitching sequence to reduce unnecessary thread changes. The automatic jump stitch trimming feature can also cut excess thread between sections, helping give your finished designs a cleaner appearance while saving some manual work. The Artspira ecosystem is another interesting addition. You can organize your thread colors and use your existing thread inventory to help find designs that match your available colors. However, some of these enhanced features require additional Artspira products, so keep that in mind when considering the overall cost. After looking through everything this machine offers, I think the Brother SE2000 is a strong choice for beginners, hobbyists, and home creators who want sewing and embroidery capabilities in one machine. Its wireless design transfer, touchscreen controls, large selection of built-in stitches and designs, and 5 by 7 inch embroidery area make it convenient and versatile. The main limitation is that the 5 by 7 inch embroidery field won't be enough for very large commercial embroidery projects. But for clothing customization, quilting, home projects, personalized gifts, and creative embroidery, it offers a very practical balance of features. So would I buy it? If you're looking for a user-friendly home machine that combines computerized sewing with modern wireless embroidery features, I would definitely consider the Brother SE2000. For serious commercial production, I'd look at a larger, dedicated embroidery machine instead. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.